Just when I thought, say, after 14 days into the new year, naturally say 31st night prophecies in Sensema a day a no. By this time, 2 weeks into the new year no. And by this time, a tour a beta. I was wrong. Answer never to us no subscribe and click the notification bell no. And no any other screen so see we understand latest news we about once a beta. I just want to refresh your memory on this particular issue. Young Kwechi, Ebiana, the first time will be 8 assembly ni will name the air so. Na ye Kwechi we are Nipakona ebete assembly ye. Edian ena air so. Now, 31st December, ye niayetin come share a free in so forth to say Prophet Nigel Gazy, Reverend Osu Bempa, Reverend Bedu Kobi, and Bishop Salifo Amwakon, and I mean I missed a lot of a year prophet Womaka Sanyankupon eyi tre amomo for Ghana in 2020. Now I think when we entered into the 2020 no, and Ankofu Bebre asofo bi e sha ase womo kasa etia eye this prophet. Now once of our kasa etia this prophet no. Prophet Kofi Oduro die eya wo kem eka tie na enya se wakasa tia wo mokeke wo di omo atem ye na wo di omo atem no Bishop Salifo Amwakon ebetena ana ye beka se Jan Felix interview no e ma ne ka se se Kofi Oduro no o preacher wonnom akpeteshi ansa na wo di preaching ti no eya na nani su ni na aye who are you na tre se asema Prophet Kofi Oduro ekan ye efa nsofo wo mo hyenkom efa 31st no ana 2020 prophecies no na tese utumi hu se ahye Salifo Amwakon ansa na Salifo Amwakon ana Bishop Salifo Amwakon with all due respect ansa na Bishop Salifo Amwakon ebe ba bontin ya beka sansem no afa Prophet Kofi Oduro ho no na there was a battle going on between Reverend Osu Bempa and Prophet Kofi Oduro de dada. Reverend Osu Bempa babonte meka se wo Kofi Oduro wo ka se yen edifo no ye bu adwaman wo Kofi Oduro wan na bu adwaman se ho wo Kofi Oduro wo ware me church member na wo tonjum wo me ma sorry ye friend Rita sa Rita no na oba ware no na tre se wo ka oba ware fi me ma sorry dem na mbra wo be ware fi me ma sorry dem no ansa na wo be ware kan no na wo ene Rita no na moda e ma abortion ni abem nti sa wo ka se adwaman a na wo Prophet Kofi Oduro no wo na wo ye adwaman hene eno ne nsem a Reverend Osu Bempa e kan ye odema Prophet Kofi Oduro na emu no na ye ni aye nim se asemwe eto betwa na 2 days ago ena me hu video from Prophet Kofi Oduro na sorry. Now, it wasn't Prophet Kofi Oduro who was preaching, but na yere a friend Rita Oduro. Ono na wo preaching. And so she also used the opportunity to counter some of these things that Reverend Osu Bempa edel to him. Because ebia wonu hu ne say wan ba bonten ambeka. Ghana for begie de say eye ne kre say wonu Rita no, wonu Prophet Kofi Oduro wo ma ya abortion da. Into what preaching Prophet Kofi Oduro ne yere na friend Rita no. O preaching afafo maame no o preaching. E wa sorry dem no e no kan say hey pa say ye de to me so say abortion. Nyankopon form mo bon nchi o na tell say wo pese wo tre say Reverend Osu Bempa twantro. Na enda me ne o ka say I've seen a video from Reverend Osu Bempa responding to a Prophet Kofi Oduro ne yere I friend Rita Oduro. Reverend Osu Bempa kan say Rita Oduro no say wo ka say wonye abortion da wo mo bra bonten na wo mo fa anointing oil embesan wo muti munti asemi ye na tell say Reverend Osu Bempa de baby a wo gina no wo gina say wo Rita nwa ya abortion pen oni ukunu mo abo adwaman pen ansa na mo ware na so ukunu no onam e na wo ka say ye mom ye adwaman fo Reverend Osu Bempa san so kraka say Prophet Kofi Oduro ene onankasa Prophet Kofi Oduro na sorry for bi emma no eda ena prophet Kofi Oduro yere no o preach no o ka say hey mimi kunu pa na mo kasa sa afa no ho say woni church member said that nyame mfa mo bone chem na ka woni mi kunu na won kasa asa me mfa no ho say be wo ba wo defending ni kunu very normal. But Reverend Osu Bempah Babonten e de abeto ne so a kire say Reverend Osu Bempah person woka say reta no intro e na wo twa. Now Reverend Osu Bempah is claiming say reta no e ba sorry na woto njom e wo no Reverend Osu Bempah na sorry dem na ono ne ho kra e na ye prophet Kofi Oduro be hu na wo be ware no nti ende adan na prophet Kofi Oduro wo keka nsem bi say afa wo no Reverend Osu Bempah ho embra Reverend Osu Bempah ede sansem ni tu dwa no I thought it was one of those things na menim say ebia wo boa but wo hwe prophet Kofi Oduro na yere no all responding to issues no one touch on that particular matter say oh boa na mem ba wa so we bia one touch on that matter until that one actually tells me say ebia ne kre say reta no na wokwa asori ewo Reverend Osu Bempah ho na Reverend Osu Bempah kan say reta ne kra no na wo be ware obi ewo no Reverend Osu Bempah na asori dem ho na one of the person I want also your church member ewo Reverend Osu Bempah asori dem ho na one no court ye be hand say prophet Kofi Oduro aba be gine fininsem eno ne nsem a Reverend Osu Bempah woka nti wo se anya bia reta eye bibia na ka hu ne se watena me na ase pen na wonu de ono Reverend Osu Bempah de oka ne se wo hu video ono so hu video no e wo YouTube just like myself it was so wo hu video na wo hu se reta ekita mic ebe preaching no na wonu Reverend Osu Bempah eye ne de se at least ma sorry ba wo shama se kakra yetete wa afei utumi so mic mu e preach wa sorry dem na trese ono Reverend Osu Bempah na trese ni age wo be ha ne se ensema reta koka eno no wo be twabo ono Reverend Osu Bempah ni mom eno se na mini se reta ne kra no wo yanyansani na nka se be wo ye oba no na ka at least obeka se Reverend Osu Bempah de wo ye me papa na me kwa sorry e wo ne ho ena me ami kunu be hu me ware me inti se ende asema ba mesre asem no maye nka nkoto bebia nanso reta no mo ebe kendia manikunu no na reta no wonsi anyansa enhu say you can never call your father an ex-father but or husband you betumi abedane or ex inti se ntokwasi between your spiritual father and the wukunu a wo oba no mom e wo se wo yanyansani no e wo se wo bem na wo settle issue no wo se wo no de na Kofi se sa e na eye prophet Kofi Oduro na yere na friend reta no na kasa na ko be ka e wo mic ni mu say Reverend Osu Bempah my spiritual father na me kona sorry na me tonjum e wo ne kwa mu sisia me papa nso anasisia me kunu nso ene ne nyansem we de me am nkrofo but reta didn't have to go take side and no nsema Reverend Osu Bempah wo kan na me de bebi a me hu ne say da be Reverend Osu Bempah de o kan de o say na reta ne kra minim say ono nso be kanyansa sem say wan kanyansa sem bia na me say Reverend Osu Bempah. You know the problem I have with Reverend Osu Bempah no and they say I don't know if it's me but I see Reverend Osu Bempah as a big person like me who say we so focus here e wo Ghana ha say na I feel say enye bibia e na Reverend Osu Bempah e wo say wo ba abonten e be kasa e fa ho bitumi hu say Reverend Osu Bempah say wo hu ne say wo bi e ka asem bi fa ne ho na asem no enye ne da obviously he can't keep quiet. He's those type of people but he needs to realize the position he has in this country and how people respect him and how people view him. And then same bia na also Reverend Osu Bempah was so. To be frank, me say in sema eye Rita Oduro kan no me ka say well what you read there then obviously you can't blame her for supporting Niknu nanka ada asafo maame a nanka one omombo asem ne so kra anase nanka de ombe kankan ne say asem we de de ekoso no ensema mo atini na afa me ho no o de obeka say enye ne kre but you not make it look like you've taken side. Wait there, like I'm not saying say you're wrong, say you are taking side of your husband, no, that be. But as a wife, no, me who say, if indeed you're true, if you don't have any ties with Reverend Osu Bempah Krana, and then the Ankameto was to say, you are choosing the side of your husband, because I know they will name Reverend Osu Bempah from Jack. But if indeed you're a cre, say Reverend Osu Bempah was some, I want to say Sebe, now tone drum, I want sorry. Reverend Osu Bempah Krana, bisa na sorry for bia. Womo wakwa animo a womo ka say and womo nim reta no. So if indeed true, say wako Reverend Osu Bempah na sorry pen. Now we a church member wo ho, I feel say you didn't have to come out. There was no need for reta no say wo beba abonten. Other pick sides. Nanka obetumi use that platform akase dabi. Eye my spiritual father. Enemy kunu and now once my pastor and as is my current pastor, because obviously who no still or your current pastor or your mum, but he's the pastor of the church you go into who kunu your pastor into na kamisusu center obeba bonti abeka say me former pastor and me pastor enenya we dia mesre abotoyem embra, because Reverend Osu Bempah de osi san nanka ope osi nanka Rita Wodro ebe kan say wo we dear yamia menkrofo na enya na yemma bibia eto ntwa na nko wono Reverend Osu Bempah wo beja asem ne chidi intino media the two sides are me who ne wrong no eno na make, but Reverend Osu Bempah mesrel oye ni papen, like you are a big person in this country, please behave like the way big persons do and a big people do. Sabe in previous a one more nkofo fere omunim no enye bibia no ba abonte be yi anu but Reverend Osu Bempah there what is a pin of pin drop it na efa ne ho a wo be ba abonte abekasa wo be ba be blast and but I don't know I feel say Reverend Osu Bempah is beyond that level e bia na me hu ne sa dia but let me know your thoughts on that in the comment box below, because let me give an example. Abraham Memoshe by no. And then Reverend Osu Bempah pen ordinary asema kwa muso. Wo sha ase first. Na wo frɛ Ota Belmo, Duncan Williams no now so wuti wo baby. Say Ota Belmo ene ana Pastor Ota Belmo ene Duncan Williams wuti wo baby. Say wo mo abo Abraham Memoshe din krada. What be pen? Say wo mo abo ni din say Avram. Say Abrantie bi or see a friend. What say wo mo kan krada. No. They are not even giving him attention. But you can't tell me for sure say they are Womonte Abraham Memoshe inka. But Abraham Memoshe called Reverend Osu Bempah din and a Reverend Osu Bempah be planner and then accord an entokwa between them. No. So I feel say some things that happen in this country are a far Reverend Osu Bempah. Eto de bia wo no so say me are reacting to those issues no. And no enema e dey asem eba. Nanka wo ye kom o wa Reverend Osu Bempah say utumi kan enkom hye efa otumfo ho o kan we wo mu ye kom che say wo mu mbekasa utumi kasa fa ngofo wo mu mbekasa don say wo ho ana asem nanka say wu naturally what you here tietie for me pese mu ni amotire mu adwen e wo comment box ni mu me da ase.